Welcome back to Landscaping Tips and Ideas with Ed Wallace of Midwest Landscaping, www.uniqueenvironments.com. Well, the guys got the edging all laid out back here at our Anaheim project, and now we're actually getting everything ready to put the decomposed granite in the pathway. As you notice, they basically have dug down 2 inches, 2.5 inches down to be able to put the decomposed granite down. These are our 2 planter bed areas. One area is going to have diamondia, the other area is going to have shrubs. But as you can see, they've done a fantastic job getting everything ready. We're using our compactor to be able to compact the soil before we put the DG down. We ran across our lines, some conduit for low voltage lighting to the different planter beds, and also the PVC piping for the irrigation for the job site. We utilized the blue lock PVC lock fittings, no glue. Makes our installation nice and quick. Stubbed out some areas for our low voltage wires just running under. But this is what's happening back here at our job site here in Anaheim, California. So stay tuned and watch the whole process of what's going to happen here as we beautify this backyard and the whole project. Stay tuned.